So most people solve this question like cancel this 3 by 3 is equal to 40 divided by 4. Now 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, and second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to division and then multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So now 40. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same. That means 40 as it is same. Now C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this fraction 4 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 4, right? Times 3. Now cancel this 40 divided by 4. So 10. So now 10 times 3 times 3. Now both multiplication have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 10 times 3 is equal to 30 times 3. Now 30 times 3 is equal to 90. Okay, so the correct answer is 90. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti